Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are going over how to use adjustment clips in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, an adjustment clip is a clip that, for all intents and purposes, think of it as a sort of overlay that you can apply different effects to. Super easy. What we're going to do is go down to your effects here. If you don't have effects available, there's a little tab over here. That's how you get to them. And just go down to the effects area, okay? Adjustment layer will be on the top. You'll get adjustment layer totally for free with DaVinci Resolve, so you don't have to worry about any of that. We drag the adjustment layer on top of our clip here. We can then just go over to the end and resize the adjustment layer however size we want. We want to match the clip in this case. And then it is as simple as, since we're already in some effects, let's go ahead and do some effects. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can we see what the effects look like? You can if you want. We drag it to the adjustment layer though, okay? It's important that we drag it to the adjustment layer, okay? We are going to do one more effect, okay? We're going to do the night vision as well, but we're going to drag it to the effect adjustment layer, okay? That's the reason we dragged it to the adjustment layer. And that simply is because of the fact that we can just simply disable the adjustment layer and get a easy before or after. And then if we look over in our inspector, if the inspector isn't available, just click inspector. We will see under effects here that both of those effects are in the adjustment layer. We can turn them on or off just like normal, but none of the effects are affecting our main clip. So we can actually just put multiple effects in here if we wanted to. Oh, and we can do a little bit more actually with this. So let's say we only want the night vision effect in that adjustment layer. We can actually create another adjustment layer above that adjustment layer. Let's put this down here so we can see everything nice and clean. And then this adjustment layer doesn't have anything right now. But let's go ahead and put the digital glitch on this layer, okay? So now we can, disable both of them, or we can only disable the night vision and keep the digital glitch. And that's basically how you use adjustment layers. And then if you want render stuff with all the layers, just do this. Or if you want to just render one or another, just select one or another. Or if you want to decide, hey, I'm going to put the adjustment layers all in a single layer, just select all of them and then hit new compound clip. And then it's all going to be there for you in one clip. So yeah, hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form, yes, using adjustment layers in DaVinci Resolve, it's that simple. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.